Hey everybody, it's Neil and welcome to my office, and today I have this chair mat for hard floor. And I have a hard floor and I have a chair that needs a mat. So we're gonna give this thing a shot and see how it is. It's gonna be tough to fit it into my tiny little space here, so we'll see how big it is. Hopefully it's not gonna be too big that it's gonna that I won't be able to fit it. Let's open this up. Got my huge scissors here. Let's see what we got. Okay, this is it here. Nothing else in the box. Oh, here, I'll give you this thing. It's QQpony chair mat for hard floors. And so here's kind of got some instructions on how to do it. And it's upgraded material. It's durable and reliable. I like how they spell durable. But no shelding or pilling. I'm guessing they mean shedding or piling. And easy to lay flat. So let's see. I guess the instructions are here. Take out the chair mat. Leave the mat curled for 12 hours. It's not even curled to start with. Funny. I wonder if I'm supposed to curl it up. Let's just see. I guess this is something here too. That's what it's gonna look like. Oh, it's got a plastic film on the bottom of it. So it's kind of what it's gonna look like. Oh, it's got the plastic film on it. This is the plastic film. So let's see how this is gonna be. Oof, might be kind of big. Oh, it feels nice. It's kind of fuzzy. Actually, it'll probably fit pretty good right here. Okay, and it's done. So check it out. This is what it looks like now. That's a little nicer in here. And look, when I roll my chair now, you don't even hear it, where it used to just make all sorts of noise. So this will probably make my neighbors happy in here. But this is very cool. I like it. It's nice and soft on my feet. I'm sitting here barefoot. Super comfy. And it rolls really easy. So I'm going to say thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video. Subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with some more reviews soon.